Hello children, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain what are complementary angles and what are supplementary angles. First we are going to discuss here complementary angles. Here when two angles are said to be complementary when they add up to 90 degrees, right? When you add two angles, if you are getting 90, then we can say that two angles are complementary angles. Coming to the definition of complementary angles, when the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. 90 means what here? Right angle. You know what is 90 degrees, right? The angles are called complementary angles. Here I can take 30 plus 60, right? 30 plus 60 is what, children? When you add 30 and 60, you are going to get 90 degrees, isn't it? Then I can say 30 and 60 degrees are complementary angles. If I draw a figures, so suppose it is 30 and it is 60. So these two angles form a complementary angles. Here they don't have to be next to each other, just so long as the total is 90 degrees, right? Next, so many examples we can give for complementary angles, children, like 1 degree plus 89 degrees gives you 90. 40 degrees plus 50 degrees gives you 90, isn't it? Next, 20 degrees plus 70 degrees equal to 90. See, like this we can give so many examples for complementary angles. When you add two angles, the sum should be 90, right? Here, if you observe 1 and 89 are what angles? Acute angles. 40 and 50 are acute angles. 20 and 70 are acute angles. Then what did you observe, children, here? For complementary angles, the two angles are acute. We can't take obtuse because obtuse is more than 90. So the two angles must be acute, right? Here, suppose if I take one more example. (70) and 40. Can I say these two angles form a supplementary angles here? 70 and 40? No, because when you add 70 plus 40, you are going to get 110, that is not equal to 90. Only the sum should be 90. Here 70 and 40 are what? Are they complementary angles? No, these angles are not complementary angles. Okay, so only two acute angles can be taken for complementary angles. Next, if you are getting questions like this, children, what is the complement of 30 degrees? Then what is the answer? Can you say? Complement of 30 degrees means here how much we should add for 30 so that you will get the sum as a 90. So easily you can say you should minus 90 minus 30 will gives you 60. So what is the complement of 30 degrees? 60 degrees. If I say what is the complement of 60 degrees, you have to do 90 minus 60, that is 30. Means complement of 30 degrees is 60 degrees, complement of 60 degrees is 30 degrees. Here we can write complement of 20 degrees is what? 70 degrees. For 20, how much we should add to get 90 degrees? 70. What is the complement of 70 degrees? 20 degrees. Right? So what type of angles can be taken for complementary angles? Here only two acute angles can be taken for complementary angles. Next is supplementary angles. See, complementary means sum of two angles should be 90. Then what is supplementary angles, children? The sum of the two angles is 180. Then we call that two angles are supplementary angles. So coming to the definition, when the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. What is 180 degrees? We can say 180 as straight angle. Yes. So when the sum of two angles is equal to 180, then the angles are called what angles? Supplementary angles. So examples, here I can take 60 and 120. When you add 60 and 120, how much you are going to get, children? 180. So I can say 60 degrees and 120 degrees are supplementary angles, right? If I draw figures also, here this is 60. What type of angle it is? Acute angle. And 120 is what type of angle it is? Obtuse angle. So what type of angles are required for supplementary angles? Here we require one acute angle and one obtuse angle. Here some more examples. If you see 50 plus 130. 50 plus 130 gives you 180. So what is 50? Acute angle. What is 130 degrees? Obtuse angle. So what type of figures are you taking? Here taken one acute and one obtuse angle, isn't it? So still we can say 10 degrees plus 170 degrees, 180. So I can say 10 and 170 forms what? Supplementary angles. Now suppose if I take 130 degrees and 100 degrees. Can I say these two angles form a supplementary angles? No, because 130 is obtuse, 100 is also obtuse. When you add these two, 130 plus 100 will give you 230. Is 230 is equal to 180? No. So here the two obtuse angles cannot be taken for supplementary angles. So one acute and one obtuse should be there. Now, suppose if they ask you what is a supplementary angle or supplement of 70 degrees. Then how you do? Means how much we should add for 70 so that you will get 180 as the sum. How to do? Here you can take 180 minus 70. That is how much? 110. This is how we have to find the supplement. So what is the supplementary angle or supplement is same. What is the supplement of 130 degrees? So how you write? 180 minus 130 gives you what? 50 degrees. Here 130 and 50 forms what? Supplementary angle. So very important point here. What type of angles are required for supplementary angles? Here we require one acute and one obtuse. We can't take two acute angles. We can't take two obtuse angles. So for supplementary, one acute and one obtuse. For complementary, two acute angles. Now here for supplementary, can I take 90 plus 90? What is 90 here? Right angle. Yes, we can take here. We can take one acute and one obtuse or two right angles for supplementary angles.